Hi guys, it's Joe here at Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video on this lovely 2019 69 plate Honda CB1000R, and this is the Plus version. So done 6,326 miles from new, and it is a bike that we have sold previously. So bin the Plus, you get these little brushed aluminium parts here, same on the side. It is underneath there on that bit as well also that you get, but this one's been replaced with a screen. And you do get the quickshifter and autoblipper from Honda. Full LED light, you get daytime running lights in your indicators. You also get the seat cowl with the brushed aluminium part going through the centre of that as well. This one's got the hugger, it's got the SC Project exhaust, it's got some engine bars, it's got a belly pan, it's got a tank bag. And if you come across the display, you'll see you get a gear indicator, you get your fuel gauge, your speedometer there, and then you get adjustable traction, adjustable engine braking, and adjustable power modes, as well as ABS. But they're a mega bike. I think they're great value for money nowadays as well. These are a really, really good seller for us, especially stuff like this with low mileage and nice extras. And if you do want it, be quick, get yourself down at Jordan Bikes or just simply give us a call. Thank you so much for watching.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk-around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.